Hey, hello everybody. Welcome. Welcome to Chalk Night. It is Monday and this is Timmy. I am super excited to be here with you tonight. Hello, welcome. If you're just joining and you are new to watching some of my lives, I'm really excited that you're here. Welcome. My name is Timmy Pacioretty. I am a chalk couture designer and mentor. That means that I get to have lots of fun creating some beautiful home decor items with some incredible products that I'm really excited to share with you tonight. So this is a special night because not only are we getting to create something fun, but we're going to do it with one of our Club Couture transfers. You're probably thinking, what is Club Couture? Well, it's a awesome exclusive club that if you are not a part of, you totally want to be a part of. And that's because every month we will send you a exclusive transfer that is available nowhere else but only to our subscribers. And we don't know what it is until it comes in our mailbox, and it came to my mailbox, and I am super excited to be able to share it with you. If you love it, you can only order it if you are a Club Couture subscriber. How do you sign up to be a Club Couture subscriber? Well, you need to visit my website. And my goodness, I keep losing myself here. Let's try that again. My website address is right there down at the bottom, chalkcouture.com/Timmy. Easy to remember. Just go on there and you will see a link to join Club Couture. It's a $19.99 amount each month, and for that you get a exclusive transfer, and I'm going to show you what that is tonight, and 3 chalk paste singles. When you sign up, you also get an opportunity to do a kickstart kit that gives you some surfaces and other cool tools to use that you'll be able to use month after month, but I'll tell you all about that. But I think you're going to be really excited about this design. At least I hope you will be. I think it's a lot of fun. It's perfect for the summer. It can be lots of things that we can do with it. We're going to kind of go with the patriotic theme because I am totally all about right now celebrating July 4th. If you were listening in on my live last Thursday, I did a cute little flag on our box frame. Wait, I can even show it to you. It's right over here. Here it is. This is the one we did. Ooh, let's see. There we go. Isn't this awesome? Last week. And when we did it, I actually said there would be some really interesting options using the Club Couture transfer to go along with that. So that gave you a little hint about what it's all about. I see we have a few people watching and joining us, so it's great to have you here. Penny, welcome. Hello. Oh, Lisa, I'm glad you got yours today. Oh, very exciting. I think, is this your first one, Lisa? I think it is, right? So super exciting. Going to be lots of fun to play with it. And I thought that it would be fun to use, let's see, I'm going to see if I can get our view here set so you can see me and our little design here. All right, let's try that. Whoop, there we go. Hey, I'm in the corner. See me? Hi. I know I always say you don't want to put babe in the corner. I always feel like that's me here in the corner. But we are going to create this design on our Aiden chalkboard surface. And you're probably thinking, but Timmy, there's already something on that surface. And you're right, there is. But we are going to take a quick minute to show you just how easy it is to reuse this surface over and over again. Just like we can reuse our transfers that we use to create these beautiful designs, we can also reuse our surfaces, especially when they are a chalkboard surface. So I am really excited to be able to share that with you. Now I got a new app here, or an updated app here that I use. Oh, yay! Okay, good. I see my comments. Excellent. Woohoo! Here, that's all new. If you're just joining in and you're not a designer, I would really love it if you would just take a quick moment to share this with either a person by tagging them that you think might enjoy watching, or just generally sharing this to your timeline. I would love that. We are 4 people away from 500 likes on my business page, and that means we are 4 people away from giving away lots of free goodies. So if you share the page and we get to 500, not only will they get entered in, but you will too. So if you're interested in getting some free goodies, help me get to 500 likes, the big milestone. I would very much appreciate it. And all you need to do is just share this video, and that will give them access to my page. So very cool. Oh, good, Lisa. So you got your May one. May one. Let's see. I know there's such a blur now. I got to remember all the ones. Which one was the May one? Which one was the May one? Remind me. There's so many good ones. I can't keep up. Let's see, what was the May one? I think you'll tell me, sure, in a minute. So if you sign up to be a subscriber, what will happen is that you will get a package that looks like this delivered right to your door somewhere around the first or second week of the month. As I mentioned, it's $19.99, free shipping, and in this you get not only the transfer, but you also get 3 coordinating chalk paste singles. So the ones that come in this month's kit are Peony, which is this beautiful light pink, Forget Me Not, which is kind of a nice bright blue, and Candy Apple. So the other thing that you might want to use is our white Chalkology paste, which is something that you can pick up if you get the Quick Start kit. Oh yeah, the Hello Summer with the sunglasses, Lisa. Totally awesome. Oh, you're right. Thanks, Penny. Oh my gosh, how did I forget that, right? That was one of my favorites. And not only did I use it on a round chalkboard surface, but I also, there we go. This is the one we created. There we go. Hello Summer. And that's super darling. But I also put it on one of our canvas clutches with our inks, and that was super fun. Really cute. Be great on the tote as well. We have a great canvas tote that would be super fun for summer. So that's one of the cool things about these transfers, is that we can use them over and over again and put them on lots of different surfaces and change up the look, change out your colors, do some overlapping, whatever you want. So fun. So lots of project ideas. If you decide that you want to become a Club Couture member, not only will you get some exclusive deals from Chalk Couture itself, but you'll also become a member of my exclusive Club Couture group. And I offer some specials in there, as well as give you some project ideas and inspiration. So if all of that sounds like fun, be sure to check out that Club Couture subscription option. And you can do that right on my website, which you'll see in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. So we need to start by cleaning off our chalkboard surface. This is a chalkboard surface that we do sell here at Chalk Couture. It is called our Aiden chalkboard surface. This is the smallest chalkboard surface. All right, everybody. Maybe I really am live now. So if you're watching, say hi. That was super crazy. Sorry about all of that. My camera just totally froze. So we had to restart our live. Here we are. All right, everyone. I am back. Sorry about that interruption. My iPad decided it was time to update its software, and I think cut off our camera angle. So I am back, and I am ready with a cleaned off chalkboard here to show off this month's Club Couture design. So if you were watching before, I hope you have a chance to join back in. I apologize for that little bit of interruption, but here we go. We are ready to open up this guy and start playing. So if you're coming on in again, welcome back. If you're just joining for the first time, welcome to you as well. I am Timmy, Chalk Couture designer and mentor, and today we are creating with a Club Couture transfer, which we are about to unveil. So, as you're coming on in, be sure to say hi, let us know you're here, and let me know if you got back in after that crazy little cutoff that we had a minute ago. All right, so Club Couture, ready? Who's ready to open this? I am so ready. So as I said, when you subscribe to be a Club Couture member, you will get a brand new exclusive transfer sent in the mail to you every month, the beginning of the month. Usually arrives around the 6th, 7th, or 8th, so depending on where it is you live. And in addition to an exclusive transfer that only you as a Club Couture subscriber gets, you'll also get 3 chalk paste singles that coordinate with that month's transfer. So this month's singles are Peony, Forget Me Not, and Candy Apple. So those are the ones that come with the kit. I am going to use my own colors. I'm going to use our bright white, our Candy Apple. We're definitely going to go with that, but I am going to go with Liberty because I am looking to dress up my entryway with some July 4th decor, patriotic decor. And look at this cute transfer. That is going to make this super fun. So we've got 2 words, celebrate and freedom, and then we've got these really cute pinwheel surfaces. And I think they are going to be super fun to create with. So that's what we're going to use today and create a little project here. All right, it looks like we've got somebody watching. Hey, Lisa's back. Yay, Lisa. So sorry that I lost everyone. What a pain in the patookie that was. Welcome to the world of Facebook Lives, right? Hey, Amanda, welcome. You weren't part of our craziness there a minute ago with, we had been, I think, 10 minutes into our live. We cleaned off our chalkboard and then my camera froze. So we're going to try this again. So what I did is I just took the transfer out of the little container. I like to keep those actually, by the way, because then I can put all the pieces back in. Just need a couple of supplies. First, a pair of scissors, and second, you're going to want a Sharpie. And the reason for that is that this has got a couple of different pieces, and the pieces will want to cut along the cut lines. So that's the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut up your transfer into the various pieces. And then